Alright, so hello guys and welcome once again to another of my courses. Before we start, I'd like to thank you all to joining my class. It's really appreciated and I hope that at the end of this course you will be able to understand all the information that have been transmitted in this course. So let's start. So this course will be really how to help you use the Tor browser and how to navigate on the deep web on a daily basis if you need to navigate there on a daily basis. What will be the content of the course? So at first we gonna see what is the deep web. We're gonna talk in depth what is it, how it works, what's part of the deep web. After that we're gonna see what's the difference between the deep web and the dark web. So it's not the same thing. We're gonna see what's the difference, what are the major differences between both of those things. Um, how the deep web can be used for legal purposes. Uh, because yeah, the deep web is not only illegal stuff. So you're gonna learn this and learn how you can use the deep web on your everyday's life. After that, we're gonna talk about deep web myths. So what's true, what's not true. We're gonna talk about some of them, what the which one are true, which one are false. We also when all this is done, this will be the first theoretical part of the course. Then we're gonna start. We are gonna start like more practical part. So we're gonna have an introduction to Tor. We're gonna talk about the Tor browser. Yes, you have a lot of other browsers to navigate anonymously, but for this course, we're gonna talk about Tor. We're gonna talk about all the Tor security and everything that is around the Tor security, how the Tor security works, and everything that is around it. How you can navigate in a secure way. Well, use Tor in a secure way. After that, we're gonna talk about the concept of anonymity. We're gonna talk about anonymity. I will present you different alternatives that you can have to Tor. I will give you some hints how to use them and everything, but we are not gonna go in depth of them. You will just learn that they exist, but we are not gonna use them practically. Um, After that, we're gonna begin our journey, and here we are gonna navigate through the deep web. So I'm gonna install Tor with you guys, and we are gonna set everything up. When this is done, we are gonna visit some deep web websites. I have 10 websites that I want you guys, that we will visit. We will look for. Those are interesting websites, and those are websites that are 100% legal. So you will be able to visit them and just look what it looks like. Um, when it's done, we're gonna see how we can make purchases on the deep web because yeah, it's not like web where you can just put on your credit card and that's it. It's a bit different. We'll talk about cryptocurrency also because cryptocurrency is the currency that is used on the deep web to buy stuff. So we're gonna talk about this. We're gonna talk about the purchase itself. Um, when it's all after this part, you should know how to get to the deep web very basically. Um, After that, we are gonna talk about all the dangers that can happen on the deep web slash dark net, more on the dark web than on the deep web. What are those dangers? And we're gonna talk in depth about each and every danger that is here. It's not like in the movies and everything where creepy stuff happens, and we're gonna talk about the real dangers that can happen. Um, After that, I'm gonna give you some tips to stay safe and what to do and what not to do to stay safe on the deep web. And when this will be done, we'll have a small course summary where we're gonna talk about the whole course. After that, you should have all the knowledge that you need to be able to navigate through the deep web. So the objective of this course is really to initiate you guys to the deep web. I'm not gonna talk about some fancy advanced techniques to navigate and 100% anonymously by using virtual machines and 100 other things. We are gonna. My goal is really to initiate you to the Tor browser, initiate you to the deep web. So this way, you know what's this, how it works, what's a myth and what's true and what's false, what you will have to expect from going to this side of the internet. And then we're gonna break this fear that you have, guys, of the deep web, and we are gonna go together at the side of the internet, and you will see how it really is, and how everything works on this side. Also, the objective of this course, well, is really to well, as I said, is really to initiate you, and also to initiate you to the concept of anonymity, and how you can navigate anonymously. What you will be able to complete by the end of this course. Well, by the end of this course, you guys should be able to, by yourself, be able to download the Tor browser and use it 100% in a safe way. You will be able to navigate on all deep web, well, all deep websites. You will be able to find out good deep websites and navigate through them without fearing that you're gonna get on some weird website somewhere on the dark web. So really, at the end of this course, you will be able to by yourself navigate on the dark web. You will not need a coach. Also, you will be able to make by yourself purchases, buy your own cryptocurrency, and from buying your own cryptocurrency, you'll be able to buy your own goods on the deep web, and you'll understand how all this works. So that's it for the introduction, guys, and see you in our next class, where we are gonna talk more in depth what is the deep web.